Yo, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to the Sexiest channel on YouTube. It's just React Liam back with another reaction. As you can see in the title, I've got one of my favourite grime artists of all time, Stormzy, in a video. I'm very, very happy. I didn't even realise he dropped this until, you know, my good friend Joshua Pevy hit me up in the comment section saying that, you know, Stormzy's basically done Sounds of the Skeng, and that is what it's called. I'm reacting to Stormzy Sounds of the Skeng. I'm really looking forward to this. I can't wait. Let's get straight into this video. So I've got my bad boy paper clips in. Let's get straight into this. I've got it on, you know, full screen like I usually do. You guys can react to it. Man, let's get into this. 3, 2, 1, go. And education, apparently, yeah.
And it's like 5 whole years on a circuit. Every single year I murk it. Every single year I switch floors, they jerk it. I flip mode and reverse it. Told bro reimburse it. I just hope that it's worth it. Cause if it's up a bitch ass nigga, I'ma make it look perfect. I'ma make it look perfect. Kai probably deserves it. See, old school might just splurges. Please don't let him resurface. They go the fastest, I go the furthest. And the nigga been the hardest. And I bun all my bands.
See, I heard about that. I heard about that bit. I just had to say, oh, you know that bit when they talk about the boxing? Apparently there's whole speculation about Stormzy and Anthony Joshua. Apparently Anthony Joshua's taking Stormzy's misses, and was it Stormzy wanted to take the piss out of him in a song because of it. I don't know. I don't know if it's true. I don't know. It just came up on my Twitter. And it was saying about, like, you know, Stormzy's pissed off and he dresses up like Anthony Joshua, even though something about he's a loser or something silly like that. I don't know. But yeah, it just came to my head. Either way, yeah. I like this. This is sick. Let's go.
Man might leave with the babes on burst. Man just bad up the place and murk. Then man lift up a waist man skirt. You man ain't been entirely truthful, have you? I know the truth can hurt. I know that I know my 2 hands work. I know that I know I do man dirt. Allow me again, this that. Sounds of the Skeng. I move foul on my friends, foul with a pen. Dogs start howling again. My dogs them are different. Nigga, I miss the Skengs, but the difference. Big Mike don't need no assistance. So please give a nigga some distance. Name a nigga that's this consistent. You man just love begging it too much. You man love the Americans too much. I do the most, but it's never been too much. Go coast to coast and I never get moved up. Facts. We talking racks. We talking plaques. All stats. I rude boy, you do the maths. I look chilly in the south, but I live in the sticks now. Really been about, but they think I'm a prick now. Got a little money and a couple of bricks now. Big for my boot, but it's funny it fits now. The sauce don't stick to my swag, it drips now. You niggas thought you were bad.
Big for my boots, but funny it fits now. Oh, that was a banger, that song. I'm not gonna lie, that was a hell of a banger.
Now, cause that boy got to the bag, he rich now. I hope you niggas know what it is now, but man might kick off your face, I'm worse. Man might leave with the babes on burst. Man just bad up the place and murk. Then man lift up a waist man skirt. You man ain't been entirely truthful, have you? I know the truth can hurt. I know that I know my 2 hands work. I know that I know I do man dirt. Allow me again, this that. Sounds of the Skeng. I move foul on my friends, foul with a pen. Dogs start howling again. My dogs them are different. Nigga, I miss the Skengs, but the difference. Big Mike don't need no assistance. So please give a nigga some distance. Name a nigga that's this consistent. Name a nigga that's this on point. Froze, wrist on point. For the trolls, fist on point. Get your pose and your list on point. Wait there, little niggas wanna diss this joint. They're trying to figure out what is this joint. Me and Flipper come and flip this joint.
Hey, my man sitting next to Stormzy. Is he a United fan? You get me? I like that. Let's go.
Little niggas can't hit this joint, and I knew it was a banger when I ripped this joint. Man talk dirt on my name, but the truth is they're not realistic points. Bigger in person, whipping excursion. My niggas whip this joint. Don't talk like President flips his joint. Real niggas gonna dig this joint, but man might kick off your face, I'm worse. Man might leave with the babes on burst. Man just bad up the place and murk. Then man lift up a waist man skirt. You man ain't been entirely truthful, have you? I know the truth can hurt. I know that I know my 2 hands work. I know that I know I do man dirt. Allow me again, this that. Sounds of the Skeng. I move foul on my friends, foul with a pen. Dogs start howling again. My dogs them are different. Nigga, I miss the Skengs, but the difference. Big Mike don't need no assistance. So please give a nigga some distance. Name a nigga that's this consistent.
Murky. Stormzy, bruv. You always do it, man. Always. Stormzy's killing it for the UK. He is killing it for the UK. I don't care what anybody says. My camera's going funny. Sort yourself out, fam. He's killing it in the UK. He's absolutely killing it. Murky. Ah, bruv. Like, how long ago did this come out? Did it come out today? It came out today. It came out today and it's already nearly on, like, what, 500,000 already views. Ah, crazy. He's one of my favourite. He's one of my favourite grime artists. Like, I think of all time, I absolutely love Stormzy. I think he's absolutely incredible. Either way, guys, please let me know if you enjoyed this reaction. Let me know down below in the comment section what you would like me to react to. Thank you, Joshua Pevy, for you know, giving me this. That's the thing. I mean, the last few videos I've been doing like Upchurch and you know, I'm trying to do like other bits and bobs as well because I'm trying to do things that you guys would recommend. And that's the thing. You guys are absolutely incredible. I mean, you know, we've got to over 100 subs already, and it's incredible, man. So even though I said I wanted it before, like you know, by my birthday, I'm asking now if there's any possibility you guys can get, you know, me to 150 subs before my birthday, and that would be absolutely incredible. So we've got about like 15 days roughly until my birthday, so if we can get it to 150 before that, that would be absolutely amazing. Like, it would be just incredible. But either way, guys, if you did enjoy this video, please make sure to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, make sure to share with all your friends and family, hit the bell notification so you never miss a video from me. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Stay freaking murky. See you later. Bye bye.